So I'm going to share some of the things that you need for the perfect bachelorette weekend. First of all, we got these decorations. They are all from Amazon. They come in a pack all together. Then we had to do a beauty table. So on this table, we have lip gloss, we have face masks, we have Pixie Glow Tonic, we have press-on nails, chapstick, hemp's lotion, we have some hair care products, and then, of course, really fun lashes. Then we did another table of these heart sunglasses. The black ones say Bride Tribe, and then the white ones say Bride. And these are all from Amazon. And then we, of course, had to do a recovery table. So we have a little liquid IV, we have some Advil, Tylenol, emergency, hair ties, bobby pins, band-aids, barf bags, because, just in case. Gum. We also, over here at the bar, have a little alcohol station with these cute bride cups. We have some snacks, of course, but these are just some of the things that I think everyone needs to have the perfect bachelorette weekend.